So, imagine you're trying to add metadata to your MP4 files under Ubuntu app on Windows 11. You use commands with ffmpeg and exiftool to input details like title, subtitle, comments, and tags. However, when checking the file properties, you notice that only the title and comments are showing up, but the subtitle and tags are missing. Quite a confusing problem, right? Now let's dive into the solution. The issue lies with Windows properties not recognizing standard video tags for these properties. To fix this, you can use exiftool with specific Microsoft tags for subtitle and tags. By executing a command like exiftool Microsoft, subtitle equals subtitle goes here, Microsoft, category equals tags go here, path to files, you can ensure all metadata is correctly displayed. Remember to add overwrite_original to avoid creating backup files. In summary, to make sure all your metadata shows up in Windows properties for your MP4 files, use exiftool with Microsoft-specific tags for subtitle and tags. This way, you can easily organize and access your file details without any hiccups. And with that, don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Your support means the world to me.